Hello, today I'm trying something a little different. I found a camera with a tripod, so I'm going to be doing some recording of me doing the actual work on the Mech for change. And today, I'm going to be focusing on the armpit, specifically making it so the armpit raises the arm up higher. That way, the Mech can actually try punching maybe the head of another Mech. So let's take a look at the back. Now you can see the linear actuator is about a foot or so down the arm. So what I'm going to be doing today is moving it further up the arm and adjusting this lower point as necessary. That way the 4 inches of lift provide more leverage. So having the distance should move the arm twice as high, giving a nice, good angle. So let's get to it. We start by drilling new holes for the bicep piece, right about there, about half the distance. There we go. 2 new holes. And now we loosen the armpit mount. That's 1. And you gotta be careful when taking out the second one, because the entire weight of the arm is gonna come down. And that's 2. And now we lift up the arm, put the bolts in, and now that it's in the hole, we use the drill and drill it back in. And we got to make sure that the machine screw is actually in there straight. And we do the same mess for the other side. And tighten it up. And now the arm should go up a little higher. There we go. Look at all that reach I got with that modification. Now, all this reach is going to be very important for fighting in giant robot fights. And I'll be talking about that next time. So, if you do like my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.